Micro and macroeconomics. We all hear about there are two branches of economics, microeconomics and macroeconomics. ഈ മൈക്രോഎക്കണോമിക്സ് ആൻഡ് മാക്രോ എക്കണോമിക്സ് എന്ന ഭാഗം +2 കൊമേഴ്സ് സ്റ്റുഡൻസിനും ബികോം BBA ഡിഗ്രി സ്റ്റുഡൻസിൻ്റെയും മാനേജറി എക്കണോമിക്സ് എന്ന ഭാഗത്ത് എന്ന സിലബസിൽ വരുന്നതായിട്ട് കാണാം. കൂടാതെ CA പ്രൊഫഷണൽ സ്റ്റുഡൻസിൻ്റെ ഫൗണ്ടേഷൻ പേപ്പറിൻ്റെയും വരുന്ന ഒരു സിലബസിലെ ഒരു ഭാഗമാണ്. ഇത് നമുക്ക് ഡീറ്റെയിൽ ആയിട്ട് എന്താണ് മൈക്രോ ആൻഡ് മാക്രോ എക്കണോമിക്സ് എന്നതിനെക്കുറിച്ച് അറിയാൻ ശ്രമിക്കാം. Micro and macroeconomics were the first time divided by the famous economist Ragnar Fritzsch. He is from Oslo University and in the year 1933. What is micro and macroeconomics? The term micro and macro derived from Greek word micros and macros. Micros word meaning small and macros means large. From the word itself we can say that microeconomics deals with a small part of an economy. It deals with particular production unit, a particular producer, a study about a particular product. Then this whole category comes under microeconomics. On the other hand, what is macroeconomics? Macroeconomics, it deals with the large, that means the study of entire economy. It's like we can say that it's a bird's view. When a bird flying on the sky, that view point is like microeconomics. We study the entire economic system. That is, we are studying about national income, taxation policies, foreign trade. This all comes under macroeconomics. So there are two branches. Why we divided the economics into two branches? Because it helps to make our study more easier. When you study microeconomics, you can realize what happened to the macroeconomics or entire economy. But that's why micro and macro divided into two parts, microeconomics and macroeconomics. Okay, let's look what's the difference between microeconomics and macroeconomics. Microeconomics, deals with the small, whereas macroeconomics deals with the large. Micro units, microeconomics deals with micro units of the economy, and whereas macroeconomics leads with aggregates. Aggregates means total. Microeconomics deals with individual demand, that means in demand of a particular product, whereas macroeconomics deals with aggregate demand, total demand of an economy. Then lastly, microeconomics deals with partial equilibrium, and whereas macroeconomics deals with a general equilibrium. General equilibrium means it's total equilibrium of an economy. So that's the main difference between micro and macroeconomics. When you study detailedly about microeconomics, it will be very helpful for you to study about the entire economy. So that's why this manner one division given by micro and macro. That's all about the micro and macroeconomics. Thank you.